Okay, now this is Soldier. This is our dog, and people never believe this now that this dog talks and he has behavior. Now he's got a cold and what they kind of call kennel cough, and we give him a little kennel cure, a homemade kennel cure that's like just lemon juice and what is it, Birdie? Lemon juice and honey, and a little bit of and a dash of peroxide. And he doesn't really like the taste of it. He likes the honey, but he don't like the taste of the medicine for some reason. And he knows it's medicine, and we kind of have to tell him. So he's always got this demeanor going on, kind of like Donald Trump. He's always giving that look like there's something going on kind of thing. And he will not let us get close to him. He remembers that he has to take the medicine. And he gets really mad at Birdie. And I'm telling you, the dog has an attitude. I mean, I hate to say it, but he's a bastard. Sometimes he really got a bad attitude. I'm serious. Watch this. Watch what me and Bert have to go through every morning to get him to take his medicine when he coughs the kennel cough. Now, you kind of heard the cough as just as the video was starting. He was over there around the wall. He's hiding now. Soldier, come on, get your medicine. Come on, think. And so it begins. He's mad at Bert. He gets really mad at Bert. I'm about to kind of. He's funny. Donald Trump in action. See, he's got this cough, and he know he has to take medicine for it. But he's giving us, he gets excited, and then he coughs. Soldier, come on and take your medicine. Come on, let's take your medicine. Please, pretty please. Pretty please. Soldier, you got to just take your medicine. But why can't you get mad about it? Why are you going to get mad about it? He's just trying to give you the medicine. But don't get mad at him. He's not doing anything. He's just sitting there. He's got the medicine. Oh, yeah. Well, yeah, I guess. Kiss your butt. What do you mean, please? You need to take it. You're sick. You got kennel cough. You'll feel better. Come on, let Birdie give it to you. See? Come on, there you go. Get him, Birdie. You gotta put it on him. Give it to him. Okay. You know he's not gonna let you get close to him out here.
Take your medicine. Come get your medicine. Open wide. Come on. Open wide.
You grab him all poor. You grab all poor. Soldier, okay, you cutting up. You cutting up. Come on, don't get mad about it.